Hey boys and girls, today I'm going to be looking with you at your October 28th reviewing decimal sheet. So it looks like this. This is not the test. The test says dividing decimals test at the top. This is just your work for today, for October 28th. So it is front and back. There are 6 questions, so I want to look over those and talk about them with you. So first, it shows this picture at the top, and it's showing the decimal 6 39/100ths. We can see that. We see 6 filled in totally. Then we've got 39 little hundredths in that second one, or in the last one. So it says, which of the following represents 6 39/100ths divided into 3, this is a very important word, equal parts. I want to know which one is showing equal parts. So that's your first hint. You can look here, and when I look at some of them, they're divided in 3 parts, but they're not equal. Okay? I'm looking at some of them and they're not divided in 3 parts, so don't look at those. So then the next important thing for you to do is so first, are they divided 3 ways? And then are those 3 ways equal? Now there are 2 that show 3 ways and equal. So then you need to say, okay, how much is in each one? So we'll do this one for an example. This has 3 whole blocks in it. 3 and 3, and then it had your 39 here. Those are not equal. Make sure you're looking at all of them and you're saying, okay, what do they have in each one? Remember, the inverse of dividing is multiplying. Whatever is in each one, you should be able to multiply by 3 and get back to your 6 39/100ths. All right, at the bottom, it says for number 2, the local newspaper charges $34.80 for an 8-week subscription. Paige buys an 8-week subscription. How much does it cost her each week? So think about it. I have some small numbers here and some large numbers. If it costs me $34 for all 8 weeks, and I want to know each week, 1 week, I know that my answer should be smaller than 34. Okay, let's look at the back. Number 3, the school cafeteria paid 96 cents for 12 packages of crackers. That is cheap. How much did each package cost? Again, look and see ones that would not make sense. If it costs 96 cents for all 12, and you just want to know each or one, we know it's going to be much smaller than the 96 cents. This is where that decimal placement is very important though. Okay, number 4, not a word problem. It says, what is 16 divided by 200ths? Make sure you're writing it down correctly. 16 is what's being divided here. Number 5, Mr. Locke bought 6 quarts of oil for his car. He spent $16.02. How much was each quart? Remember, I keep saying it, each, 1 quart. If he bought 6 and all 6 were $16.02, what's 1 gonna be? And then again, there's another model, and it says the model 1 2/10 is modeled here. So you can see it's not super dark, but 1 and 2. None of these are filled in because your question says how many rectangles should he fill in. So you could use this to help you. You could start saying, okay, I'll give 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. That's 4/10. And you could keep going until you've done all of them like that. So these are blank, and you can use them if you want to help you. And remember, multiply to check to see if you're right. So those are our 6 problems for today. Make sure these get turned in. This is not online. This is only on paper. All right, do your best.